I didn't evade. We told them we need just a few more days. They tell us get documents. We were organizing our documents. I'm always ready to be here.
But there have been multiple cases. What do you have to say about that? What do you have to say about this particular
Nothing will be found. You don't take 20 years to find details. Where are we going?
Straight and right.
So what is expected of today, Mr. Vadra?
I hope there's a conclusion. What is expected today? I hope there's a conclusion. That's it. There's nothing in the case.
Why didn't you appear during the first summon?
Because we were organizing our documents, and that's why I'm here as soon as they told me. Yeah, that's it.
Mr. Vadra, what took you so much time to organize document?
We have the documents ready.
Vadra, please respond.
Chalo, ho gaya.
So as you can see, this was Mr. Vadra. He's walking, in fact, towards the ED office. He has been summoned again today. The first summon was on given to him was on April 8th. And as you can see, I would ask my camera person to show the visuals. To show the visuals, he is there. He's entering ED, and we will have to see what pans out next.
आज एक राजनेता रॉबर्ट वाड्रा आज आए हैं।
बहुत अच्छी बात है। ठीक है। पुराने केस है। जब उनको लगता है कि मैडम आगे चाहिए। तब बुलाया जाता है, कोई ऐसी बात नहीं है।
सर आज आप पैदल ही चलते हुए आए हैं।
हाँ जरूर। लोगों की इच्छा थी कि मैं पैदल जाऊं और लोगों के साथ रहूं, और लोग चलना चाह रहे थे मेरे साथ, उनको रोक दिया गया।
Mr. At around 58 crore rupees, which is out in open. So he will be questioned under the PMLA Act, while we also have to see that he was summoned first time on April 8th, where he failed to appear before ED, but he has just left from his residence, and we are expecting him to be here at the ED office in no time. We will have to see what happens next, what pans out next from here. Back to you.
Well, absolutely, Gopi. Gopi, if you could also tell us, if at all the Enforcement Directorate finds Robert Vadra guilty of what he's being accused of, what do you think are the potential implications that Vadra might be facing?
Well, see, what we are learning from our sources is I would ask my camera person to show you the visuals continuously as we are expecting Robert Vadra to reach here in no time. What we are learning from our sources is that once he appears before the ED today, he has failed to appear for first summon, which was dated on April 8th. But once he appears today, the agency today is in fact going to record his statement under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, which is PMLA Act. This is what we are learning from our sources. While we have seen that there have been multiple...
Gopi, stay with us. Gopi, stay with us. For the moment, we have RP Singh, BJP's national spokesperson, patched with us live. Sir, Robert Vadra just spoke to the media. He is alleging political vendetta. He has gone ahead and said, I have nothing to hide. I'm going to answer every question. And this ED investigation, he is dubbing it as political witch hunt. How do you see that, sir?
Well, it's a procedural thing which is happening, and he's creating a whole lot of that. I mean, fact is that he has to answer certain questions. How money was used, where the money was used, and how money was misused. So he need to give those answers, and it's a very routine matter. Why is trying to make such a noise out of this?